Now, as traders, we should always test different ways of trading to try and find something that will give us a better edge in our trades. We should not be afraid to explore new approaches that have not been readily used in the trading arena. Now, trading with range bars is a method that qualifies. Now, what's a range bar? Well, basically, a range bar is a bar that has the same price increment, and each bar closes either at the high or the low, regardless of where it opened. So if you want a range of 5 points on the Dow, set your range to 5. Every time the Dow moves 5 points up or down in total for that bar, it will complete that current bar and it will start a new one. So time really has no effect at all. This can give us an edge in markets that are moving sideways or are very, very flat. Now, look at the following charts here. These two charts, they cover the Russell for the first 2 hours of trading. The first chart uses time-based bars and chart 2 uses range-based bars. As you can see, it's much easier to trade and see trends and price action on a range bar chart, not to mention that we had 3 winning trades here. Now, take a look at what a time chart looks like with the same price action. You can see the dramatic difference. Now, range bars for Forex traders. Trading is simple, but not easy. We've all heard that. Now, a key to success is eliminating the constant noise that so efficiently clouds our trading signals. Forex traders, they understand this really, really well. Unexpected news, technical violations, and geopolitical events can create doubt and confusion. Doubt and confusion creates hesitation. And you hesitate, you lose. Range bars help show you the picture of what price is doing. It doesn't matter what indicators you use. They will respond much faster and give a clearer pattern to improve your trading. Now, range bars, they're available on Metatrader. Now, it used to be that with Metatrader, you only had the option of trading with time charts, but not anymore. You can now use range bar charts and reduce the market debris, such as long-wicked whipsaw bars, stalls, and consolidations. Now, all of these can prevent traders from clearly seeing the market as it unfolds. Now, you're probably thinking, well, wait, everybody uses time-based charts, and you're probably right, and that's the problem. Replacing time-based indicators with range bars may very well replace your losses with profit. The trading with range bars edge. Is there an edge? Well, the greatest edge of a range bar is that the information displayed is directly relevant to your trade. When using a time-based technical signal, your trade is late by definition. The price footprint must first occur before you see it. Now, the range bar is valued by technicians because, unlike a chronological-based signal, a range bar is the actual price parameter a currency has established over an undefined amount of time. For example, an 8-pip range bar candlestick shows the trader a definitive trading range. A break above or below the range isn't a violation but a price expansion. So how does this help the trader? Well, the signal accuracy available for a long or short trade using range bars is phenomenal, it's controlled, it's emotionless. Now, have you ever thought about it that way? Because if you trade Forex market and you seek to make 8 pips on a trade, wouldn't it be more useful to pull up an 8-pip candlestick chart? Sure it would. An 8-pip candlestick chart would ignore time, and instead it would concentrate on price movement alone. And price is what ultimately matters. Once the currency trade moves outside the 8-pip range, another candlestick will form no matter how many minutes or seconds this is going to take. Now, for the trader accustomed to viewing time-based candlesticks, don't worry. The visual look of the range bar chart, it's the same as a time-based candlestick chart. But you may find a clarity that you never thought possible. Now, chart 3, this is an example of the Euro-US dollar with Metatrader in a 5-minute interval. It's not too bad, but I think you're going to like the range chart better. Now, compare both charts. Notice how long the tight range of chop is on the 5-minute chart. Now, compare that with the smooth price action on the range chart. You clearly pick up the trend in price action. On the time chart, we would get into the trade and really not know if we were out of the chop, not to mention we did not make as much. Now, all the coaches and traders and net picks, they constantly look to improve their winning edge through improvements to the systems and just the general trading practice. Adding range bars has had a positive effect across all markets that are traded. As an educational and training company, we look to pass this along to our loyal customers and our fellow traders.